Hi, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my food blog, that is cuisine.com. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you please subscribe for more such recipes? I am going to cook fish fingers, crispy fish fingers. So let us look at the ingredients. I have taken around half kg of Ravas fish. Ravas is an Indian name and the English name of Ravas is Indian salmon. So I have taken boneless pieces and I have cut into 2 inch by about 1.5 centimeter width and 2 inch length. So all the pieces are equal in size. So cut them and keep it aside. I am going to use half lime juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper crushed, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. This has rosemary, thyme and oregano, and just salt to taste. I have taken half teaspoon here. I am going to use this to marinate the fish, and this is going to be my batter powder, which is dry powder. So this is maida or all-purpose flour, 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 1/4 cup of corn flour, makke ki atta, 1 teaspoon of hot red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder, and salt to taste. I have taken here 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to mix all this, and then after the fish is marinated nicely, I'm going to coat it with this powder and deep fry it. So we need sufficient oil to deep fry our crispy fish fingers. So I'm going to marinate fish. I'm going to squeeze half lime juice. Half the lime juice. And I'm going to add the crushed black pepper, the multi herbs, all-purpose herb, and the salt. And mix it properly using your hand. And once this is mixed nicely, keep it aside at least for 15 minutes so that the fish is marinated nicely. Okay, this is mixed very nicely now. So I'll keep it aside for at least 15 minutes, let it marinate. So while the fish is marinating, the fish finger is marinating, I am going to mix all these dry powdered ingredients. Mix it nicely and keep it aside. We are going to coat our fish with this dry powder, and then we are going to deep fry it. So let me just mix it properly. So I have mixed this dried powder very nicely, properly mixed. So I'm just going to spread it evenly. So fish will be coated with this spiced powder, dry powder, and then we'll deep fry it. This will make our fish fingers very crispy from outside and soft and juicy from inside. So let us take fish. So fish has been marinating for almost 15 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to coat the fish with this powder and then keep it aside. Coat all the fish and keep it aside, and then we'll start deep frying it. So let me show you how to do it. Use both your hands, one hand to lift the fish and put it on the powder and use the other hand, should be the dry one, to coat it nicely. Okay, just gently press it and just dust off the extra powder and keep it aside. So just do this for all the fish. Put it here, use the other hand. Okay, just gently press it so that it coats nicely. Dust off the extra flour and keep it aside. So I'm going to do this for all the fish and then we'll deep fry it. So I'm just coating all the fish with the dry batter, dry powder here. Dust it and keep it. So I'm going to do it for all the fish and then I'll be ready for deep fry. Press it gently. Okay, then dust it. So I've coated all the fish with our dry powdered batter, and I've taken almost 1.5 cup of cooking oil in this deep frying kadai or pan, and I've heated it up. So once the oil is hot enough, turn the heat to medium. So we need to deep fry this on medium flame until it is golden brown. Let's do that. Our oil is hot. So I'm just going to place one by one slowly. Okay. So, and after you put this fish in the hot oil, do not stir it or do not shake it. Just leave it. After a few seconds or a minute or so, the fish will rise up. So until then, just leave it as this. And then we can flip it over and continue frying it until it is nice golden brown. It has come up now and it's almost done. Nice golden color. Leave it fry for another 10 to 20 seconds and it's time to remove it one by one. I will just turn the flame to slow, minimum, and remove it. For 15 minutes. Remove it on a kitchen tissue paper so that excess oil is absorbed. Crispy fish finger is ready to be served hot. You can eat this with chili sauce, sweet chili sauce or tomato ketchup or green chutney, any dip that you like. So let me just place it here. Now looks yummy. It's very crispy from outside and soft and juicy from inside. Enjoy the crispy fish fry. I am going to take it with sweet chili sauce. You can take it with any sauce you like. If If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you very much. Happy eating.